On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Nerd.
A person who is very interested in and knowledgeable about a particular subject, such as computers, mathematics, chess, etc.
Examples:
A computer nerd. Nerd neck. He was, by nature, a cyber nerd.
Femtosecond.
A unit of time that is equal to 1/400,000th of a second, 10⁻⁻15 seconds, and femtosecond lasers are used in surgery and other medical applications.
Examples:
Femtosecond timescale. Femtosecond technology. Femtosecond lasers are used in various medical procedures, including eye surgeries.
Nanoscale.
On a scale that can be measured in nanometers, equals 1/1000,000th of a meter, on a very small scale.
Examples:
Nanoscale device. Things at the nanoscale. This process improves the strength of the metal by controlling the nanoscale lattice structure of the metal.
Micron.
A unit of measurement equal to 1/1,000,000th of a meter, used for measuring the size of particles and microorganisms.
Examples:
Micron measurements. Micron imaging. The width of a single human hair is around 100 microns.
Improvisation.
The act of making something up on the spot or creating or performing something without preparation.
Examples:
Improvisation on stage. Jazz improvisation. He created a beautiful piece of music using only improvisation.
Brilliantly.
In an intelligent, graceful, or skillful manner, very brightly or effectively.
Examples:
Brilliantly executed. Brilliantly lit. He played the piano brilliantly at the concert.